The LGB20 is secure, and today I'm doing a video for Samsung Galaxy A32 5G for AT&T PREPAID. So the Galaxy A32 5G is now here at AT&T PREPAID. It's available now for $279.99 with contract 64 GB of storage, and it's available in awesome black. So pretty nice. Alright, so also going to talk about the Galaxy A32 here. So there's the phone up there. So there's the phone in front of you. You guys have to take out mode to the front facing camera. Power and volume keys on the left side of the phone now. Pretty nice looking phone, you know. So it says here the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G has a 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity View display, a long-lasting fast charging battery, good camera memory, and a quad camera system, and there are awesome features and more while you stay connected with AT&T 5G, fast, reliable, secure. So pretty nice there. Videos and images of the A32. Here they are. This is the final side. You guys got 3 cameras in the back. One, the camera from Samsung logo. The right side has a volume case and power button. The left side has a SIM card in micro SD card on the left side of the phone. So your power button is right here, and this is also a fingerprint sensor right here as well where your power button is. So yeah. Features and specs. So the Galaxy A32 5G has 5 years for 1,000 minutes on phone at 5G. Not bad for 279, so you get a 5,000 mAh battery with fast charging and smart power saving. 6.5-inch HD plus Infinity V display, quad camera system. The dimensions are 6.46 inches height, 2.9 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. The Galaxy A32 5G weighs 7.23 ounces. Like I said before, display 6.5 inches, that is HD plus. That is a Symphony PD by 1600 pixel resolution. That is an HD plus display. 16 million colors. Also, you get 4 cameras in the back of 48 megapixel main, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and a 2 megapixel macro lens, I guess. So you usually get 4 cameras in the back. I thought you get 3, but you get 4 in the back. So yeah, you usually get 4K video at 30 frames per second. You get video playback in 4K, 13 megapixel front facing camera with an f2.2 image lens and 80-degree field of view. Other shooting options are AR zone, fade, hyperlapse, live focus, backward net panorama photo, pro, simulation, video. So you guys get a depth sensor, macro lens, wide angle, and a main camera in the rear. So not too bad, pretty good there. Like I said, you get a big ass 5,000 mAh battery, 41 hours of talk time, 455. No, that's wrong. That's gotta be wrong. It's really fucking wrong. Just about time I've no idea. I know it's not 475 days. That shit. No, I'll tell you that. If it was, it'd be fucking insane, right? Audio playback, 45 hours in speaker, 142 hours in headset, fast charging, Time to charge to 50% is 65 minutes. Time to charge to 100% is 133 minutes. Processor is a Dimensity 7.5G processor. Interesting. Optical processor. Internal storage 64 gigs. External storage 1 terabyte. 4 gigabytes of RAM. It has Android about 11. Uniform UI 3.0, which is very nice. 5G of course. 4G. It does have 4G LTE. Band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 12, 14, 20, 29, 30, 38, 39, 40, 41. Also has 4G of course, 3G. GSM is a quad band on the Google phone line, emergency voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T video call, Wi-Fi connectivity, 8 to 11 ABDN, AC, and R, dual Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, and hardware under 10 with essence. Also pricing wireless emergency alerts, and then a SIM card. Sensors is assigned randomly, ambient light, barometer phone pump, gyromagnetic, gyroscope, proximity app, text messages and stuff like that. Sustainability and all that. It also comes with the phone, probably not. Which is a good thing about it. It's gonna have a lot of AT&T apps, Samsung apps, and Google apps, and that, of course. What comes with the device is your quick start guide, quick charger, port, USB Type-C, and some adjacent pin. Some, pretty standard stuff like that. So, that's the only task that comes with the phone in terms of apps. But like I said, you download the apps from AT&T, Samsung, and Google, of course, and you download them and get some extras on there, so pretty nice. So, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G is now here at AT&T Prepaid. It's available now for $279.99. It contacts of course, so if you ever looking to get a budget-friendly smartphone, the Galaxy A32 is the one to pick up. It's $279.99 at AT&T Prepaid. That's to confirm. Pretty good space for what it is. And yeah, 5G for cheap. Here you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me a lot. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.